Do you want to edit Instagram post after posting? You can edit and change the details of your Instagram photo after posting it with just a few simple steps. Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to edit Instagram posts after posting. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips video. Editing an Instagram post after publishing allows you to make changes to the caption, location, tags, or other details of a post that has already been shared on your Instagram profile. To edit Instagram post after posting. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. After opening the app, tap on your profile picture located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're on your profile page, scroll down through your feed until you find the specific post you wish to edit. Once you've found the post you want to edit, tap on it to open it in full view. In the top right corner of the post, you'll see 3 vertically aligned dots. Tap on these dots to access the options menu for the post. A pop-up menu will appear with various options. Scroll through the menu and select Edit from the list. Now you will be taken to the editing screen. Here, you can modify the caption, change the location, and add or remove tags. Remember that you can't edit the photo or video content itself after posting. After making the desired changes, tap the checkmark icon located at the top right corner of the screen to save them. By following these simple steps, you can successfully edit your Instagram posts after they've been published. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips. And leave a comment in the comments section below.